Hey, how do men wear silk scarves? Hi, I'm Wendy Braswell to the stars. I'm here to show you how to wear a silk scarf for men. Simply, we're going to take the silk scarf. Silk's great because it breathes in any climate. So if you're in a warm or cool climate, it's the perfect addition to your men's wardrobe. First, we're going to take it around the neck, and we're simply going to let it hang. Very cool, very chic. Silk already has a texture of its own and a little bit of vibrancy, and you want to keep the pattern simple as a man. It takes a little practice with that. So we have that. We have one end shorter than the other, visually more appealing. Next, we're going to take the longer end. We're just going to loop it around. Very cool. I'm not trying too hard. I was born this way. So practice that. So there was one and number two. Number three is we're going to take another one around. Let's get it around here a little bit. This is a much warmer version. So you're going to wear this with a jacket. You're going to tie a knot and put it right underneath your chin. Because what you want to do is create warmth around your neck, but still you're chic and visually appealing. So imagine throwing a blazer over this, a vest, a cardigan. You're rocking it. Looks great. 3 simple ways. Practice with your husband, with your boyfriend. He's going to look great and stay warm. For more style tips, you can visit me on the web at wendybraswell.com.